Hello students, I am Abdhesh Kumar Jha. We are going to discuss the fourth chapter of political science of class 9. The title of the chapter is Working of Institutions. In a democracy, the rulers have to work with and within institutions. In this process, they come across three institutions that play a key role in major decisions. These institutions are legislature, executive, and judiciary. We will understand how all the institutions together carry on the work of the government in this chapter. Process of taking a major decision, it means process of taking a major policy decision. How is a major policy decision taken? A major policy decision is taken through a government order. To know the process of taking a major decision, it is important to know about government order and its issuing. What is government order? It is also known as office memorandum. A communication issued by an appropriate authority stating that policy or decision of the government. This is office memorandum. An office memorandum was issued regarding reservation of SEBC in civil services. It means 27% seats were reserved for the SEBC. It means socially and educationally backward classes. This office memorandum was issued by the Department of Personnel and Training in Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievance and Pensions, and it was signed by the Joint Secretary. This order announced a major policy decision. It is said that 27% of the vacancies in civil posts and services under the Government of India are reserved for the socially and educationally backward classes, that is SEBC. SEBC is another name for all those people who belong to castes that are considered backward by the government. We return on a government order. Issuing of government order. A government order is a written direction on an issue signed by a government authority. It is called an office memorandum. Controversy over the order. The issuing of orders sometimes led to the countrywide protest. Some of the protests are violent. As a result, the issue becomes the most debated in the media with different views and opinions. Appeal to stop implementation of order. Some persons and associations filed a number of cases in court against the order. They appeal to declare the order invalid and stop its implementation. Courts' interventions and modifications in order. The Supreme Court or High Court examine the constitutional validity of the order and modify it if there is any violation of constitutional provision. The decision makers. The major decision involves some major functionaries of our country. First, President, second, Prime Minister, And third, Parliament. President is the head of the state and is the highest formal authority in the country. Prime Minister, he is the head of the government and actually exercises all governmental powers. He takes most of the decisions in the cabinet meetings. Parliament. Parliament consists of the president and two houses, that is Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha. The Lok Sabha, that is also known as lower house, is composed of the elected representatives of the people. The Raj Sabha, that is also known as upper house, represents the interests of the states and union territories. The Prime Minister must have the support of a majority of Lok Sabha member. In the next video, we will discuss about opposing government decisions and need for political institution.